Here's a tip about water heaters that could save you up to like maybe $100. So if you notice you don't have any hot water in your house, the first thing you should do before you call anybody is to check your water heater itself at the gas valve. So this is your gas control valve, and it basically tells you what the water heater is doing. So if you see no lights, that means it's not on. That will explain why you don't have a hot water. So at this point, this is where you can start, testing to see if the water heater can light, but you have to know how to do that in order to, light the water heater. So to show you how to light the water heater, let's go down here. Look at this knob. As you can see, there's a lot of different labels for different controls. Right now it's at the off. Obviously you wouldn't have it off, but to light it, you could change the knob to pilot right there, have it point that. Hold in the knob like so. And while you hold in the knob, the gas will be going through that pilot tube, and this is your spark button. This will spark that gas. So you want to just press this a few times. It won't always light on the first spark, so you got to really wait and be patient and see when this LED starts blinking. That's how you know the pilot's on. So it won't always be that fast. You'll hear a click sometimes. See that? LED's blinking, status light. At this point, you can let go of the knob. Now you can turn it to whatever temperature setting you want. Usually it's at A or B. If you like it hotter, you can do C. Or obviously there's a very hot option, but that's kind of really hot. So for this case, we'll just do A. And then you can hear it turn on. Flames are on. And in about an hour or so, you'll have hot water. So before you actually conclude that the water heater might not work, you should take a look at the gas valve up here. This is the gas supply to your water heater. If it's perpendicular, that is off, and gas will not be going into your water heater. So you definitely want to have that on in the parallel position to ensure that you have gas flowing through the pipes. So that's a little tip about a water heater that can save you quite a few, $100 or so. But pretty simple, easy process. Just check on it before you make any calls. If you guys have any questions, you can definitely call Synergy3 Home Solutions, and we'll happily answer them.